Gold yesterday continued to rise in value, created another bullish candle above 3392.89 and reached the next resistance level, which is a daily 3435.49. We can see a pretty strong bullish candle the whole day. The price was rising in value when the price reached this area of supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and we can see currently the price is retracing slightly. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday where I have mentioned that I'm expecting the price will drop down because of this bearish engulfing candle. The price was trying to move down slightly but could not reach the next support level here. But the price visited, and with a strong bullish candle, after 8 hours, the price has risen in value. We can see that reaching the 4-hour time frame resistance level 3413.91, and then after that, second large bullish candle reaching the resistance level here at 3435.49, which is a daily resistance level. The price currently has created a bearish engulfing candle and another one at the resistance level precisely here, not going above, which is also indicating that the price could retrace back down to the first support level around 3413.91. On the 1-hour time frame since yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved. Here the price was having problems reaching higher price levels. We can see that could not make a bullish breakout above 3399.13, a resistance level here, and then the price dropped down. After that, we can see the price for several hours could not make a bearish breakout below this area of support. For some reason, the price could not make a bearish breakout. None of these candles on the 1-hour time frame could not go below this area of support, indicating that the price could reach further down the price, lower value, and then the price for several hours could not make that, and then eventually risen in value. We can see that with this strong bullish candle, this was indication of the bullish momentum that will push the price further up. After that, we can see the price continued to rise in value and then stopped at the resistance level at 3435.49. We can see that it is a daily resistance level. From here, we can see currently has formed this bearish pin bar at the support level, which is not very good information for the bears, and also because the price is usually should create a bearish pin bar at the resistance level. Currently it is support level, and we can see the price has continued to lose its value, making a bearish breakout below this area of support on the 1-hour time frame, and currently it is reversing back up. So we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance at 3426.44, because if the price makes a bullish breakout right here where it is currently, it will indicate a further rise in value. So we need to pay attention and stay close and see how the price will behave. Now for the daily time frame, what we can expect? Well, currently the price is at the resistance level. You can see each time when the price has reached this area of resistance, the price retraces back down. Here it is a retrace back down. Here it is a retrace back down. Will this scenario be the same? Well, it is up to us to see how the price will behave. One thing, what is different? Take a look here. It's a pretty strong bullish candle, then reversed back down. Pretty strong bullish candle, reversed back down. This one here, it is also a large bullish candle, but we can see it is started below this area of support currently, and then reversed back down. This one here had a large bullish candle before that, going above this area of resistance, and then price returned back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and it has reached this area of resistance. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down slightly. How far and how strong, that is something that I cannot predict, but currently the price could make a retrace back down, where the next support could be around this area or here around 3402. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the first support level is 3413.91, where the price could drop, and after that we'll see how the price will behave around this area of support. That's all for today, and feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join the premium analysis, where I share details with the traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.